Hey guys, how's it going? Alright, so I have a 2005 Acura RL, as you guys can see. Don't worry about this car right here. It's just in the background. Anyways, what I wanted to show you guys is that, so my headlight, I've always had issue with it fogging up. Let me show you this side if you can see it a little better. Let's see. There you go. I hope you guys can see it this way. The lens is really dirty. Oh yeah, don't worry about this guy either. Alright, so this is my lower control arm. This is what I was just replacing. So I decided to try a little bit something since I have a long trip to California on Thursday. So I looked around the garage full of crap and I came upon this guy right here. Chrome metal polish, turtle wax. And it had a little bit left in it, kind of like a paste. But I decided to put a little bit on this guy and just, rub a little bit on the headlight. Now, this is the full headlight, so I tried it in a small area. And this is how it came out. I mean, look at that. I don't think I've ever had this headlight this clean before. And all I had to do is put a little bit on this and just keep rubbing on a circular motion until it dries out, and it just, I mean, look how clean that is. Holy crap. Like, this thing is amazing. And it feels so smooth, so nice. Like, it is perfectly polished. My headlight cover is plastic. I'm not sure if it will work on glass headlights as well, but man, does it work wonders. Let me actually try to see if I can show you guys a little bit of it as I'm doing it. Okay, so I put a little bit on here, as you can see, not too much. You guys can clearly see the line from clean to dirty. All right, so now let me go over somewhere here. I'm gonna put this here and just keep doing that. And man, looking, wow. I just can't believe how well this thing works. It's like a brand new headlight. As you guys can see, this is clean, that's clean, this is still dirty. But you can see the difference. Man, look how you can see the inside of the headlight. So you have clean, dirty, clean. So I really hope that helps you guys. Again, turtle wax chrome metal polish, a little bit of I forgot what these things are called, but you guys know exactly what they are. You can go to AutoZone or anything like that and find them. Actually, look at this. It's also turtle wax. Awesome. Well, take it easy, guys.